It's the #1 most important task that you do every day, but so many marketers get it wrong. I'm talking about email marketing. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam and I'm a former journalist, author and copywriter. About 1.5 years ago, I bought out an email marketing course because I was fed up of people sending me emails that never made it into my inbox, or used subject lines that took them into the spam folder, or sent me the exact same emails that I'd already received from 5 other people. Well, guess what? Nearly 2 years later, it's still happening. So I'm back to end this email marketing failure once and for all with my brand new Essential Emails. In this course, you will get all the tools and training you need to find the inbox every time. No more ending up in the promotions tab or in the spam folder. You will also learn how to write subject lines that cause people to actually open your emails. And you'll learn how to write email copy that actually converts, makes you sales and earns you money. I'm throwing in 3 sets of done-for-you email swipes for you as well. The first for brand new subscribers, the second for proven buyers, and the third for an unresponsive list. And as a very special bonus, I'm even including a full set of 365 email swipes, one for every day of the year, that I used to sell as an expensive upsell, but you're getting it on the front end at no extra cost. Email marketing is the single most important thing that we do as marketers. Every single time I send out an email, I earn money. That's the way it should be. But for far too many marketers, I know that it isn't. But the good news is that all the mistakes you're making are easily correctable. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Essential Emails before the price goes up. Step 2. Work your way through the extensive over-the-shoulder video training. And Step 3. Watch as your emails hit the target and deliver you sales every time. But act fast. The price of this course will go up at the end of the launch period. If you don't pick up a copy today, you will pay more in the future. So what happens now? Well, you could carry on as before, trying to figure things out for yourself, making the same mistakes and seeing the same results. Or you could transform your email marketing results completely with Essential Emails. The choice is up to you. Either way, I'll still be making money every time I send an email out, but I'd like you to have some too. So I hope that you'll join me inside the members area. See you there.